Hey y'all, what's up? It's Pookie coming to you from the car of Pookie. I'm having Popeyes. Y'all, I'm gonna go look at a house today and maybe for investment property. And I'm supposed to be there soon, so this is gonna be quick. Alright, I got my little stupid spork. And I got a thigh and leg quarters. No, wait. A chicken thigh and a drumstick. A biscuit. Buttery. Of course, I got their mashed potatoes. Alright, it looks like the chicken is gonna be spicy. Finally, there's mashed potatoes. Finally, the first time I asked for spicy chicken, I think I'm gonna get it. Their mashed potatoes are so good. They didn't even give me a napkin. Ah! Mother Hubbard! That crap burned my tongue. Shoo, huh? Holy cow. Maybe I should have waited till I got to my destination and started recording. Give it time to cool off. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at a house. That's really good, y'all. Hot. Hot. Oh my God. It is so hot. Isn't it good? I know some people don't like car mukbangs because you can't see the food, but y'all can see me eating it, right? Come on, get in there. I'm trying to squeeze my mashed potatoes in the box. I sure wish they would have gave me napkins, but y'all know Pookie. I come prepared. Yes, all other fast food restaurants have accommodated me. Okay, so let me give it another try. I make up where you can see it, but I don't have no luck. I played poker last night. I did horrible on a tournament, but I won like $50 or so in cash. And like a dummy, I was calling big bets and lost. Like I have two pair and someone would have a flush or something, take me out. So I lost my money. This was Friday night. Thursday night, I won $69. Yeah, I'm dropping food all over my new car. This is not acceptable, Pookie. This was a big old piece. This is the thigh. It is a little spicy, but the spicy is not super spicy, but I love that it's crunchy. Y'all hear the crunch? Yeah, so I am, because I didn't go through with the beach house, it's hot. Lord have mercy. I'm still thinking about buying a home for investment property. And this one's not far from the plants. We have these chemical plants and such down here that's brought in a lot of people, a lot of jobs. And housing is limited. The workers don't live here permanently. So they're having to rent a place, and a lot of times these guys, usually they're men, there's women too, but they will share a place, and there could be like 4 or 5 dudes living in the same house, maybe even the same living room, like type situation, like college kids might. So it would be possible, probably pretty easy, to rent the house out. So I was just gonna take a peek at it, you know what I'm saying? Take a look at it. I know the insurance won't be super high like that beach house was. Shoot. That was really high. I need to be able to afford it if it's not rented, you know? You don't buy something and just think it's going to be rented. Of course, these days the banks aren't supposed to lend you money if they don't think you can pay the payments on it. Which was the whole problem before. They were giving you adjustable rate mortgages so you could afford it, and then they'd adjust the rate after so many years to some crazy rate. So people weren't too happy about that, and then they couldn't afford the payment. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping this doesn't flick everywhere. So, I'm sorry y'all can't see the food in my box, but what time is it? 1:40. 1:40. I think I just ate like a gizzard. That's okay though. I like liver. I'm not scared of it at all. Luby's liver especially is the best for me. They fry it. I know y'all are all like, ooh, mashed taters. My hair's all woo. Hey baby, how's you doing? Okay. Put it by my hair, behind my ear, and it started to wave. It's like, hey y'all, how y'all doing? The biscuits, so good. I need to mow my yard. I don't know if I will or not. By the way, the money that I won from poker Thursday is what I used to play Friday. So I didn't lose any money. I played with money that I won. That was nice. Beats playing with money I didn't have. If you know what I mean. I had a couple shout outs, but I'm not where I can read them, so not this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I got some ideas of what to put on the vinyl. The vinyl on the cup that I'm going to give away. I don't know how I'm going to figure out which one to use, but I did not get any ideas on how to do picking it. Like, picking who gets one. Like someone said, maybe put I'm a Pookster on there. Or I was thinking like the original Pookster. But you know, people will be like, what's a poopster? I'm telling you, if you're not watching the videos, you're missing out. My life's a roller coaster, y'all. All that dating hot mess I was doing. My daughter's gone now, so I'm focusing on me and doing things around the house. So life is good. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Okay? All right. Thanks for coming with me in my car. So sorry you couldn't see the food other than when it was going in there. Bye, y'all.